Global Warming, made by Usman Kaur. Index. First slide, my exhibition on global warming. Second slide, index. Third slide, program of inquiry. Fourth slide, also program of inquiry. Fifth slide, survey. Sixth slide, findings of the survey. And then seventh slide is also findings of the survey. My eighth slide is what is global warming. Ninth slide is what is climate change. 10th slide is continuing on climate change. And 11th slide is also continuing on climate change. My 12th slide is some pictures to give you an idea of what global warming is. My 13th slide is my 1,000-word essay. My 14th slide is my action. My 15th slide is my sources. My 16th slide is question and answers. 17th slide, the end. Okay, program of inquiry. My central idea is scientific and technological advancements stimulate sustainability. This essential idea will explain how scientific and advancements have made life simple. My TD theme is how the world works because global warming is connected. Was there since the planet was made. My action is to make pamphlets and give them out and put them around the school so people can see it. My lines of inquiry are ways of using renewable energy, the change in which brought by global warming, and also ways in which pollution contributes to global warming. Next slide. Program of inquiry. My key concepts are responsibility, change, and connection. My related concepts are global warming, renewable energy, and pollution. My sub-skills are managing time and considering new perspectives. ATOs are self-management, learner profiles, open-minded, and knowledgeable. This slide. My survey. My survey is about global warming. I made a survey to gather information about my topic. I am happy to share my survey with you all. I will open my survey right now. Just please give me 1 second. I am going to share my survey. Okay, can everybody see this? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this is my survey. These are all my questions. My first question is, do you know what global warming is? Second is, why is global warming a threat to the environment? Third question is, how is our planet changed as a result of global warming? Fourth is, what are ways of reducing global warming? Fifth is, how has our planet changed as a result of global warming? Sixth, explain what global warming is in your own words. Okay. Now let me go back to my PowerPoint to show you. I am, this is my findings of the survey. I put them color coordinated so you can see the answers. Is our planet getting warmer? The yellow is 27%. Is our planet getting colder? 27 people think it is. I put the questions and answers in colors and they are the same colors as the graph. And it's showing how many people thought that the planet is getting warmer or colder. Next slide. Findings of my survey. My first question was, do you know what global warming is? 36 out of 40 people knew what that global warming meant. My second question was, why is global warming a threat to the environment? Many people said that it makes icebergs melt and that it makes tsunamis. My next question was, how has our planet changed as a result of global warming? Many people think that our planet is getting hotter or warmer. This opinion was the one that picked the most. My other question is, what are ways of reducing global warming? For this one, many people think that the planet is getting hotter. My last one is, explain what global warming is in your own words. For this one, people think that the planet is warmer than usual. Next slide. What is global warming? Global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's climate system observed since the prehistoric period between 1850 and 900 due to human activities, primarily fossil fuel burning, which increases heat trapping greenhouse gases levels. Earth's atmosphere The term is frequently used as biology with the term climate change. Through the letters, both humans and naturally restored warming, and the effects has our planet faced is humongous. The number is 0.2 degrees Celsius and 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit. What is climate change? Climate change is a long-term change in the average weather patterns that have come to deny Earth's local region and global climate. These climates have a broad range of observed effects that are synonymously with the term change. This is observed in Earth's climate since the early 20th century and primarily driven by human activities, particularly fossil fuel burnings, which increase heat trapping greenhouse gas levels in Earth's atmosphere, referred to global warming. The natural process also burned as Earth's orbit. Continue on climate change. Scientists are use observations, ground levels, and everything they can to find the newly evolved global warming. Did you know that if global warming was not here, then many more people will be alive? Because of global warming, many people have died, suffered, or lost their homes because global warming makes tsunamis, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions. Next slide. Continuing on climate change. If we look at this graph, it is showing how global warming has gone up over the years from 1880 when there was very little global warming and now it is 2021. So if we look now, we can see how much more global warming has formed into what it is now. 12th slide. Some pictures to give you an idea what global warming is. All these pictures represent what global warming is. The pollution pictures are showing that pollution contributes to global warming, that people have lost their homes, that animals are losing their homes. The other two pictures, where it shows Earth itself, the first one, Earth getting heated, that is what's going to happen if we don't stop global warming. And the second one is a city, half good, half bad. It's showing like what would happen if global warming was not stopped. Next slide. My 1,000-word essay. This is my essay which explains everything I've been doing in my exhibition. I am happy to share it with you all. I am loading it for you all. I'm going to share it right now. This is my... Wait, can everyone see this?
Yes.
Okay, very good. This is my 1,000-word essay. I have made it into a 2,282-word essay. It explains everything that I've been doing, how have I done it, why have I done it, and so on. This is my essay that needs to be filled out so I can put all my information, and this is what I'm going to be obsessed on. And I really think that I'll get a good grade on this because I worked very hard, and I made this so it is interesting to the people who watch it, not just to me. And that 1,000-word essay really shows how much work it takes for the exhibition to be, well, good. I am going to the next slide to show you all. My action. For my action, I have made a pamphlet and I have shared copies around the school. I've put my pamphlet here and I am happy to share it with you. I've put my pamphlet, I place it and many people are usually there. I have put them around the school, so if you ever come to the school, please try looking for them. Next slide. My sources. My first source is, this is NASA's website about climate change. And this is the Live Science website. Here you can learn about things like global warming, pollution, and a lot more. Next slide. Questions and answers. If you have any questions, I can answer them now. So you're free to say whatever is in your mind. Have any
So,
questions?
Usman, I have one question.
Yes.
Uh, so, what would you do differently after doing great research on global warming in your daily life? How would you contribute to reduce global warming?
Well, since I've made this now, since the exhibition is going to be over today, my I have been thinking about going out a lot more, spreading the word about global warming, stop using my car as much, asking my parents to stop using cars so they can also help stop global warming. Anyone else have any questions?
Very good.
Does the other guest have any questions?
Thank you, Usman. Very nice. Good
Thank
job.
you. Thank you. And the last slide. And thank you all for your time and attention.
Thank you. It was very good.
Thank you for joining.